prey animals feel love? This question, I think, deserves a deeper dive because I hear this question a lot and I would love to touch base on it. So let's get started. Guinea pigs, rats, mice, hamsters, rabbits, etc. are prey animals. With that being said, I don't think they view love in the same way we do. They are complex little animals with complex emotions. Rats, rabbits, and guinea pigs specifically are very social animals with very complex attachments. So while I'm not sure I would call it love in the way humans view love exactly, I do believe that they form bonds with people and they form attachments. While yes, they are very food motivated, all of them. I mean, I don't know an animal that is not food motivated. If you do, please drop that in the comments. I would be interested to know. But I think it goes deeper than just food. It definitely starts with food. Food is a great way of earning trust with any creature. I mean, think about it. When you're dating someone, what do? You go out to dinner, go out to lunch, spend time together, get to know each other. It is no different for animals. They need to get to know us. They need to get to trust us. And yes, they will form bonds and attachments. Some animals, like dogs and cats, exhibit those attachments much differently than a prey animal would. But prey animals do have ways of showing us that they love us. Coming to greet us, making little sounds that let us know they want our attention, and even a simple way they look at you can tell you easily how your animal feels towards you. So do prey animals feel love? In their own way, I believe, yes, they do. I don't believe it is the same emotion that we're associating the word with, but to them, that is what it is. It is a bond, it is an attachment. You are part of their social hierarchy. Anybody who has earned a prey animal's trust knows that it is not an easy feat. It is something you have to work hard for. So that makes that bond even more precious. And a lot of people who don't own a prey animal don't understand it. They will say, oh, it doesn't love you, it just wants you for food. Well, yes, food is an integral part. But there is more to it than that, I believe. They know we care about them. They realize what we do for them. And they rely on us. And over time, they begin to trust us. As you can see, when they start laying out in the open or coming up to the side of their cage to greet you, or just giving little sounds to let you know that they want your attention. It goes a lot deeper than love, I think. I think the affection of a prey animal is deeper than just the word love can encompass. It is special, and honestly, it feels great once your prey animal begins to trust you. And there's nothing else like it in this world. Well, I love my dog. I love her dearly. But her affection is much different than the affection of, say, my guinea pigs or my rabbit. It just hits differently. So tell me in the comments, Do you think your guinea pig loves you? Do you think your rat loves you? Do you think your prey animal loves you? How do they show you that they love you? In what ways do they exhibit this trust and this bond? And don't forget, if you like this video, to please like and please subscribe. It helps us out greatly. And don't forget, as always, love your babies. Because, we do love.